it was raining outside, and as you can see, I'm just trying. This is Whitney. She's a sweet girl. Hi. You saying hi? Come here, babies. You're such a good girl. Yes, you are. And I'm here. She is very high energetic, so that's why they put her in the bigger kennels. So, hi, sweet girl. Hi, my love. How are you? This is Whitney. She's a good girl. Oh, yes, you are. Yes, you are. Can you give me kisses? I just took her out. We went for a walk. We went in the yard. She chased some balls. She pee and poop. So, yeah. I usually don't get emotional when I'm at the shelter. I don't know why. There's so many dogs. It's okay, babies. Come on. Come on, my love. But they're safe, they're fed, they're loved. This is just how the dogs are. These shelter are luckier than others where, their kennels are clean. So, but you can see how stressful she is. She's going circle and circle and circle. Even though I'm in here with her, that's just the truth. So anyway,